three things I don't like. Crazy cars, crazy kids, and birds. The first two I avoid. The last, I eat. Oh, me, I'm a cat. 10:53 a.m. I'm out in the backyard by the big tree. You know, the big tree, the cornerstone of my life, my big leafy friend. There's a bird around, but he's sticking to the upper branches, so I'm staying wheel still, motionless. In fact, when there's a bird around, I like to pretend that I'm a log. Yeah, that's it, a log. Because logs are still, they don't move. Take it, boys. My being still log scheme is paying off big time. The bird comes in for a landing. When a bird comes in for a landing, I don't do anything except watch it. I watch the bird come in for a landing. I watch it. What would I watch? The tree? Anyway, he's real close now, between 5 and 40 yards. I'm not great with distances. But I do know instincts, so I pounce. Bird flies up. Me, I can't. I can't fly. Cats can't fly. I'm a cat. Don't you... Whoosh, you people, I swear. Well, you don't have to tell me. It's hell being a cat. Take it, boys.